After showing treated water tank full problem, let's see the RWP low pressure problem, how to solve it. In this case, you have to check out the proper connection over here or not. If it is not, then link here properly. If the connection of low pressure is properly connected, then you have to check out the low pressure switch which is connected here. So you can set it properly, connected properly, and problem will be completely solved automatically. Again, problem is continuously showing here. So you have to go to the wire and remove this wire properly and link like this here properly, and problem will be sorted out automatically. After doing that proper link, you have to check out your low pressure switch, like proper connected it is, or here the pressure setting is properly, or the position is properly or not. You have to check out that first.